What's Indigo Park about? I'm glad you asked. Let me give you a synopsis of the game. Explore the abandoned childhood wonder of Indigo Park. Guided by Rambly the raccoon, help restore power to the destroyed amusement park while you run for the reason it's shut down. What I was saying, initial impression, I'm really glad. I mean, I'm really like, this looks good. Like this happy like thing, and this happy like music, and then it's just this bird, owl, Russian hat wearing thing looking at me. I don't know what it is. I'm kind of into it though. He seems like he could be a friend. Yeah, a new game. Because I've never played this. I saw a bunch of the development TikToks for this game. I was like, this seems like it's gonna be pretty cool. Hopefully it's not $30.99 when it comes out. Otherwise, I cannot play it. Because my bank account, it can't handle that. Isaac Indigo's Indigo Park. Okay. American Dream. How much I want to bet he don't sound like that? Is this animated? I'm a Twitch streamer. OM Glob. I'm a Twitch streamer. What is bro? What is bro yapping about? HACK hack. Press it. That fan is so hitting your monitor at some point. Jeez. Mom's favorite was Molly McCaw. Hey Laura, I'm doing another search this weekend. Wanna come with? Remember the old theme park, Indigo Park. Yeah. You know it's gonna be scary when it has 3 do not enter signs on it. This looks like, oh my gosh. Beard cup. No Sprite? No Starry Mist? Indigo Park. Don't go in the dark. Or they're gonna get you. Rambly, you twos win. Now that the game dropped, I need him to come out. Put him in the jar. I'm kidding. That was a joke. I'm sorry. Chapter 1. Birds of a feather don't flock together. That was the most disgusting face I've ever made. Okay, moving on. Oh, okay. Okay. Objective, find a way into the park. I was like, I don't have a backup plan for if this doesn't work. Condos. Wast to move. Okay. Danger. Do not enter. Police team. Push. Can I crouch? The moon is full. You know what that means. Alpha has to come out of his cage. Ow! I'm sorry. Moving on. Can I run? I can. That's never a good sign. Going to be chased. Indigo. Okay. Ooh, there's a bunch of trash and more bird food, I guess. That's what I was eating. What's this? Oh. Found a collectible. It's your mission kiosk. My information. Lol. I hear things. I hear the secret. I don't like that. I'm hearing things. I don't like that. I hear. What's this? This looks important. When you're talking in your sleep. Mr. Rambly. Rambly? More like Yaply. Oh. I guess it's motion censored, yeah? That makes sense. There's so many storage boxes. I remember seeing this. What does that mean? Jesus. He's sentient? Is he sentient? Thanks. Do I get an award? No, you're Randy the Chinchilla. I keep calling him Randy for some reason. Okay. Thanks, Rambly. Press E to interact. I probably should have.
And it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered.
He's a cutie. You probably don't have any Failed face.
Here at the park,
Yeah.
you just get plastic surgery.
Nah, yeah, I got Botox, man.
Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate.
Okay.
I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
I like his voice actor. Whoever did that, you did a great job at getting across a childlike joy. Your cable management system person needs to be fired! Look at all this. We're not paying you nothing for nothing! Get it together! Ooh, is that another collectible? Looks like it is. Whee. Where am I going? This is it, right?
What's the hold up?
Ooh.
The gate is open.
No, it's not.
Into the entryway.
He gave me that raccoon stare too, like,
My mistake. The gate is
I also love raccoons. My wife is a raccoon.
error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini rambling lecture.
Lucky me! How the heck do I do that, Rambly? Gave me no instructions. Okay, I guess I'm gonna follow the big obvious cord to my destination. Which makes sense, because it's a big quad. Big quad. Ah! Don't touch me, I'll murder you. I don't like getting scared. Hello.
Oh, Violet compact power generator.
Indigo Violet feels...
Inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Can you find... sorry. Is this what I'm supposed to be pressing once it works? I can do that. Let's see if we can find a cog. That feels like what I'm looking for, right? I feel like there's not anything over here. Oh, there's a phone. It glows. I don't... Maybe I can call my loved one or whoever brought me here. Oh, there it is. The big obvious giant gear. Big giant obvious gear is obvious. Oh, do I press the thing now? That took both of my hands. Let's go to Indigo Park. They're taking a page out of Pokemon's book, huh? I swear, in like 90 years,
Welcome to Indigo Park.
we're gonna have, in like 90 years, we're gonna have Pokemon slightly off tinted orange and a color that doesn't even exist yet. Shimmering poop. That's gonna be a new color. F to talk on my flashlight. Okay. Ooh, okay, so there's 3 of them. I haven't gotten the other one. This is the smallest entryway to one of, like, it seemed very big. Information kiosk. This feels like such a small entryway to one of, like, a big place, right? No? Wranglers only. I can't go in there because I'm not a wrangler. I'm a Rangette. Where am I going? I guess I don't really have an agenda, huh?
Silly Rambly.
Where are you? There you are.
Critter Cup.
What is that?
Allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a Critter Cup.
Yeah.
There's some of the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Sure. Thanks, man. Can I just steal this? Monty who? Monty got nothing on you. Enter here. Thank you for the big areas that are obvious.
Critter Cup. A new way to
Thanks.
interact with the park.
Thanks.
Also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring.
Heart monitor. What would I need that for? Okay. It's a big cuff, and I got some veiny arms. Oh. Well, I guess I'll just never learn about these things because
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked.
you don't seem very.
Your band is safe to
I want to say you don't seem very unhappy about that. Let me out of here. Yeah, I got some veiny arms. That was a very long door opener.
great work,
If I'm getting chased, wink wink,
and we can start our Indigo adventure.
as opposed to the Violet adventure. If I'm getting chased, wink wink, that would probably be very inconvenient. Okay, this is much bigger. Not even! What's going on? Okay, never mind, I couldn't see. It's way bigger. There's... Hey, Rambly, I think there's something wrong with your park. It smells broken. Wait, Indigo Park doesn't have Dippin' Dots? Man, throw the whole park away. What in the world? Where the problem at? I can go in either one of these. Because I'm the only person here. Rambly's Railroad. I mean, yeah, but Security Breach don't got Rambly's Railroad. And I'm just saying. That sounds a bit better.
Our test, buddy.
Oh dear.
I Renovations.
Also, their mascot isn't as cute as Rambly.
Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad?
I'm trying, bro. The door's locked.
Skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Sassy little raccoon. I like him. Bro is a helpful little guy. Not really. Anywho. This long line, how many people was really pulling up to Rambly's Raccoon? Y'all going to Rambly's Raccoon? Cause I'm not. Did I say Rambly's Raccoon? I meant Railroad.
Facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience.
I'm an adult, confirmed.
But it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's yours.
Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad.
Because it's yours.
I like trains.
Lol. Cause I like chains. Yeah, he's just a little critter. I love it. Oh, sorry. Yippee! Choo choo on the train. I'm not gonna go insane because I'm on Rambly's Raccoon. Not the raccoon. I'm at the railroad. It's my favorite toad. Unlike the one from Super Mario. Ooh. Wild Wild West. I am the best. I like the way my arm like jams along. I like that. What's wrong with you, twin? Hi, friend. Molly who? Hi, Molly. That's bars. Only 6? I know a guy who crashed into 78. Storming in the barns. Yeah, I totally believe you. No, I would be worse than you are. Maybe later, once I'm done hanging out on the train. Ooh, does a secret your Canito pet? Do you live here? He's an axolotl, right? They're friendly, not about that life. Oh, is that him? Because he's a fish. Rambly, you're how old?
I'm 56 years old. Damn!
Rambly's how old? Okay, that makes sense for him because he's like a seahorse dragon type of hybrid. Rambly's a raccoon. Okay, that sounds like a game. That sounds fun. Can we go there? You're green. Oh. You know, he's kind of green, but he's like what's that called? Cyan, and it is called Indigo Park. So this should be called Color Discourse Park because that dragon was definitely that seahorse dragon was definitely green. What happened here? Jesus. Oop. Well, I guess it's up to me to jump up and get the ground town running. So much to do, so much to see. Rambly, shut up. Thank you. So what is wrong with taking the back street? Hey now. Rambly, you're not an all-star. Gear. I feel like I need this. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your show on. Go play. All that money is gold. I don't know the lyrics. Let's go back on the pink train tracks. Let me get back on that. Can I get back on that train? I want to get back on that train. Okay, but who was supposed to be here? Shawty did not have a good time. Look at her place. It got trash. I don't even know what ride of hers was that. Oh. He's so overlord. Yeah, that extravagant name. You do not mess with lines, he said. I hope you like it in my park. Lord, what are you doing here? Lloyd, what are you doing here? You know we don't even mess with you like that. You're not even a part of the crew. Don't even start. We're done? Let me out. Thank you.
So, what do you think? Pretty know all about my friends.
And Lloyd.
So where do you want to go?
I'm not sure. Where? I thought it was an adult. Why is it so tall? Am I a short adult? What's going on? I could just steal some merch, I guess. Can I take one of these for my ever-growing collection of things that I will not be checking at the little concession thing? Oh wow, this place really is huge. Am I supposed to be going somewhere? Thank you. I'm pretty sure it's 3D printed. It used to be a star back in the day. Like almost a year ago. Like next month will be my 1 year anniversary from when I started streaming. Ooh, that's not as good as Dippin' Dots. Sorry.
Buddy, come over here.
Okay. What's up?
This here's an information.
Oh, there it is. The kiosk. That's what exactly.
Just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
As a kid, I feel like as a kid, Indigo used Lloyd a lot more. He was always one of my favorites. Okay, what about Molly? I remember when my mom took us to the parks one summer. Her favorite was always Molly. So when they opened the new Molly meet and greet in Jetstream Junction, we were some of the first in line. Finley plush. The sea serpent always kind of freaked me out. I love aquariums with fish, but the sight of him always made me feel uneasy as a kid. Yeah, Rambly is a part of this. That's him, I think. Is that all he says? Thank you. I hope so as well. Hey, Ghost.
Did you know she builds planes in her landing pad at the park?
Planes that she has no business building. No, she's not. What are you talking about? Talented at being a liability.
You found my buddy Finley. No, he's really shy. Like too shy.
Oh.
Like obnoxiously shy.
He's sassy. I like him.
Someday.
What's his beef with him and Lloyd? I mean, if I met somebody that dramatic, I would be. I wouldn't like them as much either. Lions are kind of like a sin of like pride.
Look at that. You're at Jetstream Junction.
Wonderful.
Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Cool. Find the key to Jetstream Junction at Lloyd's main stage.
I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. You're going back there. Be careful. Your critter cub is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Lol. Rampley is a hater. I've learned that, I don't necessarily enjoy people who just hate to be hating. I gotta know what Lloyd's about first before I start hating. So, Jesus. Let's find out what Lloyd's about before we start hating. Okay? It's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be fine. But also, I am kind of biased towards Rambly. So, if he doesn't like Lloyd, it's probably for a good reason. Hopefully I don't need to turn around and run away, because... What's this? Click files. Oh, is this a... Oh. This is really making me nervous. Okay, the music's like... I feel like I should be running. What do I do? Do I go back, or... Dear me. I didn't know what to do. That screwed me. Was I supposed to be getting something back here? Thank you. Oh dear. Oh dear me. Here's the key. Rooftop races. Oh. Yeah, he's huge. No wonder main character was afraid of them. I think he's just a little guy. I don't like that thumping sound. I don't like that sound. Run. Just keep running, running, running. I don't want the lion to eat me. Hello? Oh, right. See, when I'm getting chased, we don't got time for...
Oh my god! What is that?
Get away from me. Get out of me. Get off me. Punch him in this little lion... I don't even know what to say. See, that's what I mean. Wait, what am I doing here? This is not the area when I came in. Are you that one guy from Biddy and the Ink Machine? Not Joey Drew, Sammy Lawrence? How did you just disappear into the wall? I'm getting out of this theater. I hate theater kids. They're so mean. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I didn't even want to go on this stupid ride. I almost got mauled for it. Twice. He tried to get me underneath that crate, and then he just tried to snatch my soul away. He tried to get me. Cafe. Nice. Rambly. I did it. Jet stream function. I'm at Junction.
Check out Molly's rooftop races.
I don't want to.
It's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
I don't wanna. Is this a water park area? Molly's landing pad. This is not what I'm looking for. Can I jump? I can't jump. It's 2 inches off the ground. But it's a jump. Oh, was that what I was supposed to do? Oh dear. Oh no! Molly's plane crashed somewhere in Rambleberry Woods. I better find her and make sure she's okay. That was so... Rat, are you popping perks in chat? Can we at least get to the 30-minute mark before you start trying to bore people? Oh wait, it's been an hour? Ooh, never mind. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so good at the game. Oh my glorb. I'm literally a speedrunner. Oh, is this where I died last time? I did it, guys. Okay, where do I go now? Ooh, that was... Ooh, that tree just scared me. Oh, they're in love. What? The world? There's not a boss I have to... Oh! In the tube! In the tube! Oh, I just got shot out. Is this Super Mario's Galaxy? Where am I going? Is there like a save file, please? I got this far. I don't want to go back. This is a really nice game. Imagine if this was the game. Oh, my screen's warping. Yeah, because you can't get freaky on stream. I'm gonna get banned. Took me... Oh, Molly! What happened? She crashed, bro. Again. For the 80th time. Hey, Rambly. I was flying through the woods and suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Oh, no. A challenger approaches. Salem. Looks like my smoke screen made a crash right on target. Salem! I should have known you were behind this, you shady skunk. That sounds like a slur. Oh, nah. How's about I try my new potion on her instead? Tired of wasting it on squirrels. Molly, look out! Oh no! Turned into a demon from the Shadow Realm. I guess Salem had the cards. I didn't watch it again. What did you do to her? Meet the new and improved Molly McCaw. McCaw! But Gojo what? None of that friendship garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces. I don't want to fight. I don't know how to fight. I don't know how to fight. Okay, bye. I'm out of here. Oh, I guess can I fight? I don't know how to fight, bro. Bro, I can't. What do I do? Oh. What in the world? What in the world? Okay, bro, the game's over. Alright, bro. That was a side quest? I did all of that for a side quest fetch item? Where am I supposed to be going? Do I have an inventory? How do I get my inventory? I don't know. I don't remember what I was supposed to be doing. I didn't listen to the raccoon.
Oh no, this is horrible.
Very.
Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again.
Sure, let's go with that.
Your pal Bradley has the repairman on speed dial.
She's like, they have you on speed dial. Rambly, you good, bro? Yeah, bro hasn't come to work. I would say bro hasn't come into work since they hired him. There is no man. He's a figment of your imagination.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing?
I tried.
It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride.
What exhilarating ride.
Down from
Also, I got upgraded. I didn't see that or acknowledge it. Hey, get me in the hole. Sorry. This is supposed to be a children's game. Squid Game! That's what I said. I'm good at puzzles, I think. Okay, there's definitely a puzzle here. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I have the will or strength to do it. Well, let's see. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm scared. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you first thing. If I have to,
that'll do it.
bye. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Who do you think I am? Also, if I have to turn around and run, it's over. We're done for. What was that? Oh, it was just. Oh, that was just jump scare. Okay. If I have to turn around and run, we're cooked, chat. This feels like a way better McDonald's, doesn't it? Oh, wait. Bounce. Bounce. Ah! Bounce. Blue star. What in the world? You're getting clipped. You know what's crazy? I made an alpha joke as soon as the stream started. I said, oh, the moon's out. It's mewing time. You know, I never got mewing. I'm gonna be honest. Let me not even pretend like I know what mewing is. Oh wait, was there stuff down? The bird. The bird is always watching. Oh, okay, so I didn't look. I wasn't paying attention. The thing was blue though. I can't see. Does anybody remember what the shapes were? No? Okay, I'll go back. I didn't get the yellow one, so I'm gonna guess. Star. Yeah, that one's fine. That one's star. I know that because I looked at it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, when in doubt, just guess. Down the tube! I don't know what I just turned on, but I probably needed it for something. This reminds me of a nut house. Not a nut house. A crack house. There we go. In the arms of the angels. Didn't I just open this door? No, sorry. Nope, no. Sorry. Get me out of here. Out of here! The bird got me. Get off of me! I was caught. That was Molly Macaw? So she's the reason Wally can repeat words she's heard. Don't be fooled. Press E to respond. At least it was some dumb stuff like guard a bam. Press E to be reincarnated. Shut up. Would you like to go back to drinking piss and eating the stains off and eating cigarettes? Burnt cigarettes that I give you? Bye. I'm out of here. Can't catch me. Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Go. Keep going. Ah! 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 Yikes. I should have known. I didn't hear her. Like, I heard her behind me. I don't know what this is doing up here, but I keep pressing it because I think it's for the door. Alright, y'all. We're doing it again. Bigger and better. Bye, I'm out of here. Can't catch me on the gingerbread man. Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me on the gingerbread man. I don't even know what she's saying. It's almost something she can repeat words she's heard. What do you mean? Like in her entire lifetime, dude? I don't know how old this bird is. Bye. I'm out of here. Keep running. Run faster. Is she behind me? I don't know. I'm not checking. She crawling through the vents? That's a big, like, a big animatronic bird, I thought. How am I crawling through the vents? These are, like, big vents, though. So. Shut up! Run! What am I doing? I'm tweaking! Ah! Whew. Whew. Bro. Yeah, bro, what's going on? Their bird friend just tried to get me. Your best friend, mind you. I can tell, bro. Yeah, Rambley's the homie, but honestly, I kind of don't trust your judgment about, at least about her. I'm sorry, bro.
But
I didn't die.
I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
Mm-hmm.
You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
Yes.
Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Sure, man. I ain't got nothing better to do.
Facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Sure, bro. We gotta start by getting rid of all these. Like, bro, how do you have real life blood coming out of a animatronic Muppet thing?
Welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers is to
Oh, is that like a trend? Is that trademark? Take a shot every time he says Rookie Wrangler registered. It shouldn't be. That's what I thought. Literally yesterday. Well, which one to cut? Wranglers only. Oop, can I take that? Maybe? No? Okay, that's fine. Whoop, I probably should have went down first. I should have gone back, huh? Oh well. Molly Macaw, more like Molly Madame. She tried to kill me. I don't like that. It'd be really cool if they did. Anyways.
Whoa, where'd you get that? Rampleberries are my favorite.
Apparently they're mine too.
Hey, I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite.
Is that a real?
Don't eat it. Maybe I'll be able to one day.
Okay. This thing popped out of a Rambly Brush arcade cabinet. How is this even possible? Do you think it's edible? Probably not. Poodle plush. Doesn't seem to be an it's weird poodle plush. It doesn't seem to be an Indigo product. Sure, it doesn't look like any character you've seen in the parks. Maybe a child left it behind.
Hey, buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash? No surprise, I guess, that our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
That's crazy. Bro's sassy.
Ooh, that's a Rambley cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk.
Is everything in this world named after you, dude? When I used to have a kid, they used to have free unlimited refills on these things. I once drank so much bird up that I got sick while threw up on the while riding the rooftop races. The poor kid behind me. Let's just one more time. Well, I want to see more beef between Lloyd and Rambley for chapter 2. I think that'd be really cool. Oceanic Odyssey. Quick pass, standby. Well, the door's open.
Into Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
I didn't know this was the end goal. Is there a big, like, sea Subnautica type?
Pickles and perches as far as the eye can see.
Where's the... Oh.
Please don't tap the glass.
This is... It is one of those Subnautica-like creatures. Wow, I was gonna say Leviathan.
You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself.
Defragmentation?
Before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Sure.
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true.
Yeah?
Got some time and you're up for a lark. Stick around for the Rambly review.
Right.
Here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist.
Okay.
Lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist.
Oh, right.
Satisfied with the rides,
Absolutely.
satisfied with your guide.
Absolute.
You plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us?
Somebody make this into a full song. Yeah! Yes.
Indigo Park,
Maybe.
there is a stark contrast to everything I know.
They made figures. They made figures, song, plushies, merch. They got it all in mind. I like the game. I'm not gonna lie.
More than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find.
Yeah, bro.
Fight through the dark.
Bro, fight through the dark.
I'll be your spark of sunshine.
Alright, Rambly. Okay.
If you want to keep going.
Most definitely.
I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task.
On our task.
Here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn.
Good job to everybody who did anything on this game. Y'all did amazing.
I'm so happy you rode a ride. I'm so happy to be your guide. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you.
Oh, you! They put you at the end.
Indigo Park
At Indigo Park.
is a stark
They need,
thing. I know this place should
Okay. Sure you did, Ghost.
given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee.
Wow.
Indigo Park, more than my remarks are.
I need this to get the same amount of hype as Poppy Playtime. First chapter was a little bit like arguable. It was kind of similar, so I can't really say it was like better. But also, I think this was like really cool. But also, I don't really like Poppy Playtime. Like I do.
And I won't feel so left behind.
Oh, what happened to your guys?
I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please.
Oh. Okay, now I need chapter 2 to come out tomorrow. I feel guilty. Indigo Park, thank you. Indigo Park is a full-on passion project that we've been working on for a little over a year now. The stories and the world that we want to create with Rambly and his friends are very special to us. But with the scale of this game, we're going to need some help. If you enjoyed your experience with Chapter 1, considering supporting our socials if you want to see Chapter 2. No matter what happens, we hope you enjoyed your stay. Thank you for visiting Indigo Park. Mason, Rambly, and the dev team.
About a week ago, I announced Indigo Park.
I remember this. Okay, I did like the game. I didn't play. I wouldn't know because I never really sat down and watched somebody play Security Breach aside from like the big moments. I really do have to absolutely. What do you mean my subscribers? What do you mean my session has expired? My thing is right there. Sneekerdoodle, by the way, new video's coming out tonight, maybe. I don't know, depending on if she downloads it. Y'all, go subscribe to UniqueGeese. Please, we need chapter 2 of this game. I really liked it. Please. From me, your streamer. Please. I hope y'all enjoyed this game. I really did.